This is Chuck. I also want to welcome you to my channel. And what you see here is the remnants of coax cable. And what I did was, excuse me, is I stripped it with a strip meister here and got the center conductor out, and I took the braid out. This braid is aluminum, and so I saved the aluminum, saved the copper, and I just want to see if it's worthwhile to do this. So let me get started again, and I'll be back. I hope you can see this. This cable is RG6U, and this is what I've been using, and we're going to try it again. The connectors over there, these little guys right here, right there, there's three of them. Some are brass and some aren't, so we'll figure out what to do with them later. So let me get this set up and we'll start. Okay guys, I'm going to run this through. It might take a couple times to get the setup right, but I just got it in here and started, so we'll go. Okay, that run all the way through, and we're not quite deep enough. It's just off by a little bit. But this stuff's really thick. So we'll do it again. Give it a little bit more. I started off cutting good. Where am I here? Right there. It's not quite. It is so close. So we'll do one more. Well, I think I run off the edge that time. So let me get this in. Oh, there we are. We're into the foil right there. And the braid. So we should be able to peel this and get it everywhere. Okay, we got the jacket off, and now we can pull this braid. I'm hoping to try to get it off in one piece. And this is an aluminum braid, which is interesting. Never seen it before like this. So there's the aluminum braid. That'll go to aluminum. So now we're back to this, the foil. And I'm almost cut through on that, so we'll start it from this other end. Yeah, right there, and I'll be back. I got it just started in the end here, so we'll try to run that and see. This is kind of a funky thing. It's flat in places and not, so we'll give her a go. Let's see what we did here. Yeah, that's what I thought we missed. We missed on that. Let's look at this end. What's nice about the strip meister, when you got wire like this, it's all kinked and curled up, it'll still cut it. Let me see here, what do we got? Oh, we're really close. Really, really close. So we'll try it again. We'll try it just a little bit more. Afraid of it run off the side of the wheel. Okay, let's. If I can get it back or not, let's try it. Take the wheel up. Let's give that a go. Off again. This is what happens when you have a cable that's not round or flat, and it goes off the side. But if this doesn't go this time, I'll show you what we'll do. Okay. So now what we got is an almost stripped cable. And this one's going to come off in pieces, and that's all right. But this takes a little bit longer this way. It's got a nice strip mark there. So what we'll do, it's not that much, is we'll cut that right here. Hopefully. Already see the copper. There you go. So if I had to run that the whole way, we'd have had it quicker. But now we've got this much more copper. And this is #1 bare bright. So we'll roll this up here. This much out of that. This is this foil, this is foil, and this is foil. We can throw all this away. This is aluminum, we can go in the aluminum. All right, be back. This particular RG6 coax had a ground cable with it, and this is it. It's stranded, and it's a little harder to get out, and it comes out in pieces sometimes. But this is the conductor, and I missed a few. You can see here. I think you can see that. Let's see, where am I here? Right there. See, right there and right there. But that's trivial compared to this, so we'll weigh that and see what that weighs. So I weighed that. This weighs 4/10, this weighs 8/10, so we got 1.2 on total weight of the copper. And I highly recommend doing these with gloves on because it's really, really pokey. But it's all copper. There you go. That's how you strip a RG6 coax and get the copper out. Center conductor is this stuff. This is all center conductor, and this is shield. That's shield on the ground. I take it back. That is ground wire. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, I've been out in the sun too long. All right, be back. All right, guys, so I got a pigtail here again. It's curly Q like a pigtail. It did split slightly, so we'll give her a go again and give her a little bit more. Let's see, right there. There. It's almost there, almost. It is so close. So we'll try it one more time. Just a little bit. I'll try to keep this flat if I can. That looks pretty good in places. Not all the places, but okay, one more run. And this should do it. Get stuck on the trigger. Let's see, what do we do here? Well, it's pretty close. It's pretty close. I think I'll just take a knife and run it now. With a knife. We'll pull that out. Let's do it like go. Let's see, can you see without me getting my big old arm in the way? This isn't hard. I mean, none of this is hard, and it goes relatively quick when you don't have to do this. But even with this, doing it this way, it only takes just a few seconds. And you've got a track to follow, or try to follow. It doesn't roll on you. This way. Already got that. So, what I should be able to do, there we go. Done. That quick and it's done. So you got another, this is probably another 4/10 or so. And this takes a few seconds. So if you have a Stripmeister, it's an awesome machine. Because you can adjust it for, well, you saw what I did with adjusting this even to the little one. But look how much copper we got. You know, and then we got the aluminum jacket besides. All right, be back. Decided to strip some more stranded. So what I got is this. I didn't weigh this. I'm going to have to weigh that. And added to the other. That took about 10 minutes to get all that. So let me weigh it and I'll be back. All right, guys, there we are. You look here, we're set to pounds and ounces. This is that little bit of stranded, and it's 2 more ounces, so that's what did I have? 1.4 and 2. So it's 3.4 ounces, and the price of copper. And I don't take this to the yard. I sell this as a gold or a copper bar. I melt this down and put it into bar form, and then I sell that. So anyhow, if you're going to do this, keep that in mind. You might want to do that. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, come back again, give it a great comment, and stay safe and stay blessed out there. It's really crazy now.